Now let's make the arms. Still use the blue yarn. Make 6 magic rings. For detailed needlework tutorials, please refer to our needlework instruction manual. Or scan the QR code in the upper right corner of the video to enter the instructional video. Make a marking buckle with the first stitch. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. Tighten the loop. Then the second loop. Take out marking buckle, hook the first stitch of the second loop at the marking buckle position. Make an increase. The first stitch of each loop, make a marking buckle. This yarn is a bit long. Cut it. Continue to make a single crochet in the previous stitch, completing an increase. Next are 3 back loop only. This V-shaped stitch. Only hook the yarn inside. The rest is crocheted in the same way as single crochet. Three. Then 2 single crochets. The next 3 to 7 loops, each loop is 7 singles crochet, we crochet according to the instructions. The first stitch of each round is still a marker button, representing the starting position of each round. The last stitch of 7th rounds. Wrap the yarn and pull it through the loop. Leave 10 inches of yarn and cut it. Pull the yarn over and tighten the yarn. Untie the marker button and take out the black yarn. Take out the black yarn. In the previous second round, 3 back loop only were made. There are 3 stitches left at the back loop only position. Crochet fingers at these 3 stitches. First pass through the first stitch. Wrap the black yarn first and pull it over. Form a black loop on the crochet hook. Then make 2 chains. Then make a slip stitch, still pass through the first stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull it through all the loops on the crochet hook. One finger is done. Do the same method for the other 2 fingers. Make a slip stitch in the second stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull it through all the loops on the crochet hook. Then make 2 chains. Still in the second stitch, continue to make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn through all the loops on the hook, and the second finger is done. Put it through the last stitch, and do the last finger the same way as the previous 2 fingers. Finally, wrap the yarn through the hook loop. Wrap the yarn. Cut the yarn, pull out the yarn end, and tighten it. This way, an arm is done. Now deal with the yarn ends on both sides. Pull through the loops adjacent to the yarn ends. Repeat several times and pull the yarn ends out from the adjacent loops. The yarn will break after several repetitions. It is the same here. Pull the yarn ends from the adjacent loops, repeat 2 to 3 times and cut the yarn. The arm is done. Use the same method to make another one.